Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Turn on Bluetooth or join the same Wi-Fi to ensure low latency signaling. Next, install the phone app and the matching server or companion app on your laptop. This pairing is the bridge that sends volume commands. Once installed, open the companion on the laptop and allow firewall and audio permissions so remote control works. Make sure the laptop's audio device is selected and visible in the server app before proceeding to pair from your phone. Now you pair and configure. Open the laptop companion and copy the pairing code or IP address it displays. This is how your phone finds the laptop. On your phone, choose Add Device, enter the code or scan the QR and confirm. Connection indicators usually turn green. Once paired, map the phone's buttons to system or media volume as needed and set up optional shortcuts or gestures. Make sure to test raising and lowering volume to verify whether it controls the correct output device. Finish by testing each control. Press volume up, down, and mute while observing the laptop's audio meter to confirm real control. If commands don't reach the laptop, restart both apps, check firewall rules on the laptop, and verify both devices remain on the same network. This resolves most issues. If Wi-Fi proves unreliable, switch to Bluetooth pairing or USB tethering as a fallback. Lastly, save your device as trusted so future connections are automatic and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.